What you won't do, you won't do for love. You got everything, don't give up.
Hey guys, Shawntas Way here today, and today we are doing a week in my hair routine. I'm pretty much going to be taking you guys through everything that I do in my hair for a week. I wasn't going to do this video because my hair was blown out and I was like, my hair is not curly. Would this even be that helpful? But then I remember that it would be actually helpful to show you guys like curly state, braid out state. So we're gonna be going through different stages of my hair. Even if you watch my channel a million times and you've seen my routines a million times, it can even serve as a reminder to you. Well, my routine is gonna be pretty straightforward. You can take this routine and tailor it to whatever you do for your hair or add to it, or whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be exactly the way I'm doing it. So before this video even gets started, I'm gonna try not to talk too much. Keep in mind that everybody has different hair types, different textures. So to be honest, we're all different. Some people will be able to follow my routine that I show you guys in this video to a T and get really good results. And these routines I'm showing you is something that I've been doing over the years, and it has truly helped my hair over the years. I'm not going to try to add anything to this video to make it seem, you know, special or to get views and do all this crazy stuff to my hair. No, simple has always been my lane. I thrive off of simple routines. So whatever I show you guys is what I do on camera and off camera. Like, I'm not gonna do anything special for YouTube, if that makes sense. And I'm really not here to be judgmental of anyone's, you know, routine that they have, but I'll just be telling you my philosophy and what has worked for me when it comes to growing my hair back. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that in 2022, my hair got stunted in growth towards the end of that year, and I try to do all this other stuff that I wasn't even doing to grow my hair in the first place, and my hair was growing back very slow. I was having all types of issues. I'll have that playlist down below if you guys want to see those videos down below if you guys want to see like that whole entire story on how that happened. But the moment that I stepped back out of that, you know, crazy box that I was in and just went back to my simple routines, my hair started to grow so quickly. So currently I am at tailbone length. I don't think it's gonna show that well in this video because my hair right now is in a blowout. This is a really old blowout that I've just been, you know, keeping up so that I don't have to wash my hair. But this week I'm gonna have to wash my hair because my hair is getting frizzier. Because I am gonna be taking you guys with me when I go out for the day as well, just to show you guys like what I eat and things like that. Eating is a huge part of my hair growth, and that's just the way that I believe and the way that I think. Alright, so it is Monday nighttime and I'm about to get ready for my nighttime routine. First things first is an oil. I always start with an oil on my blown out hair and my curly hair as well, and any type of hairstyle that I have, because oiling is a huge part of my hair growth routine and just my hair routine in general. It's just a huge part of my routine. It has been for years, and I've shown you guys it on YouTube, and also I have been using oils since before I even started my YouTube channel. It's just very big part of my routine. I really don't want to give attention to any comments that say that oiling is a scam. It's not. Using the wrong oils or oil mixes is what doesn't bring the best results, or not being consistent with oil. Also, using oils in the correct way is super important, because if you use the wrong oils, then it's pretty much a useless practice. I made a video on my channel so long ago because I used to do the same thing where I would use the wrong oils, and I actually did a little bit of research and found out that oils can be used differently. There are such things as sealing oils. There's oils that don't typically seal your hair the best, like coconut oil. If you're trying to use that to seal your hair, like, you're not going to get the best results. This one's running out. It's basically a hair growth treatment within this pod, and you massage your hair with it. And it also has red light therapy as well, and it has different settings on here and all of that. Feels really good. And this is like more of a relaxing massage that I do at nighttime sometimes after I do my actual scalp massage. So you're gonna put on a bonnet or a scarf when you are about to get into bed, but this is how I kind of wear my hair. And then in the morning, I'll take it out and put my hair in a ponytail, or however you want to style it for the day. And I'll repeat the next day unless I want to do a different style. I'm going to be showing you guys a different method that I use tomorrow, just because I want to show you guys several different ways that I do like my nighttime routine when I have my hair blown out.
Here is raindrops falling on the rooftop. Oh, baby, tell me why'd you have to go? This pain, feeling won't go away. And today, I'm officially missing you. That from this heartache I could escape. Feels good. I've wanted long enough to know there ain't no way. And today, I'm officially missing you. Talk to me.
So I'm about to go into Whole Foods. As I mentioned to you guys, health is super important to me, and I feel like that what you eat has so much to do with the way that you feel, the way that your skin looks. It's just so much more important than people think. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pick up some lunch. I am not super hungry, otherwise I'll be getting way more than what you guys are gonna see me get. Nonetheless, I wanted to show you guys a little clip of what I would do on a regular basis if I was out hungry and buy Whole Foods. is just like it was yesterday. If you want to wear that braid that I showed you guys 2 days in a row, all you have to do is wrap your hair up at night. You don't really have to do much. Maybe put a bit more gel on your hair if you want. But as you guys can see, I haven't really done much to my braid. I'm just gonna take this out and I'm going to like style my hair with these waves in. And you can also wear your hair like this. I did get in the shower with this hairstyle just now, and I think I got a little bit of it wet, so it kind of ruined what I was gonna show you guys. Just kind of move it over like this, bring this out. I had to braid my hair because I was not feeling that the way that it was looking, and now it looks a little bit better. So I had to do 2 braids on each side and I only left them in for like 10 minutes. And also I put some oil to like tame everything. Yeah, bam. It's definitely time to wash my hair. My hair is like screaming at me, telling me that this blowout is done. Alrighty, time to finally wash my hair.
I begin to
Okay guys, so I'm actually not gonna lie, it's the next day. I'm definitely not used to filming every single day like I have been doing this week for this video. This video has been very time consuming, but hopefully you guys like it. And if you do, please give me a like, share this video, because this was like a lot of time. I re-wet my hair because yesterday all I did was put in like a leave-in conditioner. So today all we're gonna do is use 2 products. That is gonna be this product right here and this product. So essentially a leave-in and a gel. That's literally all we're using because yeah, I'm not in the mood to do too much to my hair. I'm just gonna do like a simple wash and go. Just a tip guys, it's always good to start your wash and goes on very wet hair. At least with my hair, that's what works best for me, is to just start it on extremely wet hair. The products apply better, it normally lasts a lot longer. Okay, so yeah, we're completely done with my wash and go process. That's literally all I do is put the product on, rake it through my hair, scrunch a bit, and boom, my curls are back. Now I just try not to touch it so it doesn't get super frizzy. That is my Friday. Yeah. Gonna let it air dry. I'm not gonna blow dry it or anything like that. As you guys can see, I'm sleepy again. It is Friday, but it is Friday towards the night, so Hopefully I'm able to show you guys the final product when my hair actually dries. If not, I'll link a video down below where I show my wash and go and how it looks when it dries. If you're new to my channel, you've never seen the full process. Other than that, I'm about to hit the bed because I'm like falling asleep on camera. It's pretty embarrassing. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoy that video. I have a few things I wanted to quickly chat to you guys about. If you're new here and you have not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, then you probably have been seeing my Becoming Her series that I've been doing on my channel. And it's pretty much mindful content mixed with vlog content put together. So it's a vlog, and I have been doing that series on my channel, and I'm gonna have it linked down below so that you guys can watch it if you've missed it. Or if you're new here and you want to watch that type of content, I'll have it down below. There's a reason why I'm telling you guys about this series, because I did create some free guides for you guys, and I'll have them down below. I created 3 guides for you guys. One is a mini self-care guide. Those of you who want to do like a simple, straightforward routine, or if you just want to clean up your self-care rituals, that guide is going to be perfect for you. And if you like my channel and you like my routines and my body care routines and my hair care routines, you're definitely going to find this guide helpful. So I'm gonna have that link down below. So if you want to do like journal entries, I have 2 journal prompts down below that are also free, that is going to help you with just cultivating a more graceful aspect into your life. So I created them both for you guys. I hope you guys like them and that you download them. And yeah, I'll be checking to see if you guys did do the download. I'll have every single thing that I just mentioned linked down below, and I'll also talk to you guys more about it in a different video, but I just wanted to quickly tell you guys. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in another video on Tuesday. Bye. If you're enjoying this video, consider subscribing if you like. Follow me on Instagram, and if you have a question or just want to say hi and let me know that you're a part of the YouTube fam, feel free to send me a DM and I'll connect back with you.